Damn it, go hard.
Hey everybody, welcome back to MaccMan's Kitchen. And today we're going to be working on a side dish that most people don't really care for or don't really try too much. Today we're doing Brussels sprouts, but we're going to make Brussels sprouts my way. So kick back, relax, and let's get cooking. Now I got my bacon all diced up and my onions diced up, my Brussels sprouts cut in half, and my thyme chopped up. Now let's get all this in the pan. So once your pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add our bacon. As you see, your bacon not getting fully crispy yet, but it's starting to get a little golden. You're gonna add your onions right into the pan. Now we're gonna add our garlic right in there. Next, we're gonna add our crushed chili flakes. Give it a quick toss. I'm gonna let the onions cook up just a little bit. See that there? Onions are starting to get a little translucent. Now we're gonna add our Brussels sprouts. Now I'm going to add my thyme. Now this is when I'll add some extra virgin olive oil. Look at that there. That is beautiful. Slightly give them a little squeeze to see if they're tender. Now, we're gonna hit it with some lemon juice. Give it a toss right after. The lemon juice is gonna quickly reduce and evaporate, so you want to get that all mixed in before it all goes away. Next, we're gonna hit it with some honey. Yep, I said honey. Now give that a good toss right after you added the honey. Now we're gonna do some salt and black pepper. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Brussels sprouts. Just look at that. Just smell that. Oh. So delicious right here. It just smells incredible. Well, here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We got ourselves a beautiful plate of Brussels sprouts. You can make this for any side dish. You could have it as a main dish. You can make it without the bacon. You can have it however you like. But right now, as I'm looking at it, it looks so tasty. I'm just dying to try it. It's just bursting with flavor. It's crazy. Hopefully you followed and you enjoyed. And we'll catch you next time here at MaccMan's Kitchen.